Hey everyone, welcome back to Brutal Reviews, where we cut through the fluff and tell you exactly what's worth your money and what's not. Today, we're talking about the AULA F99 wireless mechanical keyboard. At first glance, this thing looks solid. It's tri-mode with Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz, and USB-C, has pre-lubed linear switches, and even RGB backlighting that actually looks decent. Many users love it for its versatility and gaming-ready feel. But hold up, here's the punchline. This keyboard has almost 2,300 plus reviews, and yet almost 4% of users gave it 1 star and 2% only 2 stars. That might sound small, but when you dig into the complaints, it's interesting. Issue 1. Connectivity woes. Users say the Bluetooth is unstable. One moment it's fine, the next your keys are dropping like hot potatoes. Tri-mode. More like tri-problem. Issue 2. Build quality concerns. While it looks premium, some people reported loose keycaps and wobbly switches. For a keyboard in this price range, that's just sloppy. Issue 3. RGB letdowns. Sure, the lighting is flashy, but some keys don't light up evenly. If you're here for a smooth RGB experience, this might disappoint. Issue 4. Hot swap hassle. The hot-swappable switches sound amazing, until you actually try it. Many users say it's stiff and tricky to swap without breaking something. Oops. Issue 5. Battery life blues. This is wireless, right? Well, battery life isn't impressive, especially on Bluetooth mode. Some users complain it barely lasts a few days if you use the RGB heavily. Issue 6. Noise levels. Despite being linear switches, it's louder than expected. Not a deal breaker, but if you're in a quiet office or streaming, people might hate you. Issue 7. Software and macro limitations. You can customize some things, but the software is clunky and buggy. Users report crashes and lost settings. Fun times. So, what's the bottom line? The AULA F99 wireless mechanical keyboard is flashy and versatile, and it works well if you just want a basic, gaming-friendly keyboard. But it's far from perfect. Connectivity, build quality, and software issues hold it back from being a true winner. If you're willing to live with some quirks and want a budget wireless mechanical keyboard, it's not the worst pick. Otherwise, maybe look elsewhere. My link is in the description if you want to take the gamble.